I just want to let you know I'm done.
Well, it's about time. Do you have an escape plan?
I just dumped a false trail into Bloom's system. Over the next 2 weeks, they're gonna see me pop up in Wichita, Amarillo, Tucson. I'll drop off their map somewhere in Mexico.
Well, you head in the other direction.
Hey, I've got a one-way cruise out of Miami. If things ever calm down, I'll find a way to contact you. But...
You take care of yourself, T-Bone. Stay out of trouble this time.
oh, I intend to. Adios, amigo.
Adios.
Honey, I'm home. First rule of survival. Always use the back door. Or is it... never make a copy of the key? You ain't pretty, you ain't cozy, and you're sure as shit ain't home. But you were there for me when I needed you, baby. Need to wake up my guard dogs.
The escalator is still passing you by? Guess what? You would be more...
I gotta burn these hard drives in the morning. Well, I never got to use these. I guess it's better to be an unfulfilled paranoid than a dead one. Last night in the rabbit hole. Oh, I should get some shut-eye. No, I'm not answering you. No, just fuck off, go away. All right, all right. It's been 10 years, Frewer.
Ray?
This had better be good.
Ray, send the police. No, wait. Don't send the police. They may be in on it. Can you find me?
Calm down. This is another one of your episodes.
My episodes? Ray, they're gonna kill me. Do you understand?
They who?
I don't know. They hit me with something. I must have blacked out. I think maybe I'm in a trunk. I'm definitely in a trunk, Ray. Can you track me?
Not very well. Your GPS signal's cutting in and out.
Of course. Oh, they're jamming it. Oh, this is bad. Like, fixer bad.
Fuck. All right, I'm on my way. Sounds like Frewer's in real danger here. But if I'm gonna get out of Chicago, it needs to be now. Fuck. I can't just leave him.
Ray, my phone battery's running low here. You gotta hurry.
Calm the fuck down. Now, feel around the latch for a trunk release. If it's a newer car, it'll have one.
No, nothing.
All right, so we know we're in an old car. It's a start.
Old car? No, that is not a start. Maybe they removed the trunk latch.
You got any tools back there with you? Check for a compartment. There might be a jack in it.
Yeah, there's a jack. I think I can pop the lid with one of these?
That's the idea, but we don't want them to hear it pop. So I want you to bang around a lot when you do it. And shout, too.
Okay, here it goes. Hey, let me out of here! Help! It's open. It worked.
Just crack the lid. Tell me what you see.
I see construction workers on the road.
This is Chicago. That could be anywhere.
Oh, road cones. I see a lot of road cones. Road cone?
Fucking road cones. Buildings, Frewer. Businesses. What do you see?
Oh, that's... No, I don't know what that is.
Come on, man.
There's a half-demolished apartment building. Looks like housing projects.
Sounds like you're in the wards. Good. Frewer. Anything else?
Just a lot of buildings, Ray.
Do they say anything?
Well, I can't see. Wait, more road cones.
I see you. Okay, I need you to keep that trunk closed. Brace yourself.
Hey, I don't want to die in here.
You won't, I promise.
What are you doing?
Well, you got a better idea?
I got 10 better ideas.
And I ain't got time to debate. I'm trying to make them ditch the car. Frewer, you okay in there?
Let me out.
Just hang on.
Ray?
Keep searching.
More fixers.
Spread out.
Shit,
We're here.
these
We
guys
got
just
this.
don't know when to quit. Hang on, Frewer! Get me out! Get me out!
That's him.
No! No!
Ram inside.
He's back! Looks like we're clear. I don't know what to expect when I open that trunk.
Get me out!
Frewer was a mess
Get
from
me
the parting
out!
ways. Aiden ran into him recently, said he was homeless. Doped up on something and barely coherent. Hell, Frewer probably still blames me for all his problems.